Another really easy way to do that is I can switch to a table view of all of my space inputs here.
Yeah, that's nice.
I can also filter by space type.
Very
So
good.
all these classrooms.
The interface is already so much easier to use. As the person that's only ever used IES, I'm just like, I'm sitting here like amazed at certain little things, but it's because I've only ever used IES. And I'm like, oh my God.
It can be easier. It can be easier.
Yeah.
Your life can be better. I'm going to copy these spaces as a group. So I'm just going to select all of them, right click, copy. I'm going to go up to level 2 and I'm going to paste because these are identical. Super nice. I'm going to go up again. I'll paste again. And this is just creating basically a carbon copy of everything we've done.
Nice.
There we go. And now,
so, oh, that's nice.
I've got my 4 floors, at least this section here.
Right.
I've just done the walls. Now that I have this set up though, I can go to my envelope and on level 4, I'm going to assign a roof.
Okay.
So installation above deck, I can do roof pitch if I want. And I'll select these spaces and say they have a roof. So now we've got a lid.
Yep.
If I turn on this teardrop, I can do cooling load density, and it's going to give me a gradient of my loads.
Yeah, that's super helpful for someone like me who's trying to, I like to see a visual, like, why is that room, which is right next to that room, so much, maybe not so much different, but then you're like, oh, well, that's facing, the sun, or that's got, attached to, some other space, and that's taking on some of, that's super helpful.
I could also show you, like, if I added a large window right here, just to demonstrate, let's do like a 12 by 8, like throw that on, let's do 2 of them just to have fun with it. But like now you'll already see this is updated. This is slightly darker than the other ones. And I wanted to look at my peak. Now it peaks in the afternoon because that window is on the southwest side. You see like it starts to peak a little bit in the morning because of the southeast facing windows. And then the real peak happens in the afternoon because of those other ones.
Right.
So
that's super interesting.
You get all that feedback instantly as you start to play around with this stuff.
Yeah,